I am Bhrigu Vashisht and I come from India. Before joining Nanyang Business School, I worked in management consulting industry for almost 5 years focusing on healthcare sectors. Well, I was always fascinated about the business environment of this part of the world. So when I seriously started thinking about my MBA journey, I somehow believed that I should be a part of it. When I looked at Nanyang Business School, which is located at the heart of Asia Pacific in Singapore, I was really excited to learn about the wide range of courses, electives, and other opportunities in terms of case competitions Nanyang Business School had to offer. To me as a student, were really engaging. And I looked at the school's motto, which is culture of business and business of culture, which I think and I personally believe aligns with my own principles. I was sold. Being selected in top 100 MBA students across the globe was an exhilarating experience for me. It gave me the opportunity to learn from the MBA journey of other MBA students coming from schools across the globe. During my discussions in the summit, I also shared my experiences with other MBA students, which resulted in a lot of interest for those MBA students who haven't come to this part of the world. I think the curriculum offered by Nanyang Business School really helped me put my case better. If I think back, although all the classroom engagements were really useful and helpful to develop me professionally and personally, also I think my classroom engagements with my fellow MBA students really helped me to learn more because they come from such a diverse background, both industry-wise and function-wise, which I think has developed me as a professional. In last 1 year, I have seen my career plan updating and maturing on a continuous basis. I personally believe that I'm privileged to have developed in-depth insights thanks to the discussions with my professors, with my classmates, which I'm sure has enabled me to achieve my both short-term and long-term career goals. Well, my experience at Nanyang Business School has been a comprehensive one, especially for someone like me who comes from engineering background. Everything which the classroom in terms of curriculum had to offer was a great value add. However, if I look beyond classrooms, Nanyang Business School has a lot to offer. I got the opportunity to participate in case competitions and to apply my learnings in a competitive setup. I think I was privileged to represent Nanyang Business School in VCIC regional rounds, and thankfully we came out second. Apart from that, I also participated in case competition organized by AIM Philippines. Beyond these case competitions, Nanyang Business School has again a lot to offer. For example, I think I was again very fortunate to participate and represent Nanyang Business School in the MBA Olympics organized by HKUST in Hong Kong. Overall, I am extremely delighted that I chose Nanyang Business School, and I am gonna cherish every day and every moment I have spent here.